Imagine this. You are 35 years old. Your friends are working 9 to 5 jobs and paying EMIs. But you are living in the hills of Himachal, sipping coffee, working 2 hours a day, or not working at all. Sounds unreal, right? Welcome to the FIRE movement. Financial independence, retire early. Today, I will take you through real life Indian case studies of people who made this dream a reality and how you can do the same. First of all, we will talk about what is a FIRE movement. The FIRE movement started in the US, but it's catching up in India as well, especially among millennials and IT professionals. FIRE means you save and invest aggressively while you are young. Build a large enough portfolio and eventually you live off the passive income without needing a full time job. The idea is simple: money buys freedom, not just stuff. Case study number one: IT professional from Bangalore. Name is Suresh and his age 38. Suresh joined Infosys at age 24. While his peers upgraded to SUVs and apartments, he lived in a rented 1 BHK and used a second hand bike. He saved 60% of his income and invested it in index funds, PPF, and mutual funds. His fire goal was 5 crore rupees and he achieved it in 14 years. Now he lives in a cottage in Himachal Pradesh, works remotely when he wants, and earns passive returns of 20 lakh rupees a year while spending just 6 lakh rupees. He didn't win a lottery, he just followed a system. Case study number 2: young couple from Pune, Amit and Neha, graphic designer and freelance writer. This couple followed a more minimalist version of FIRE called Lean Fire. Their annual income was 80 lakh rupees. Their lifestyle cost them only 6 lakh rupees. They invested the rest 12 lakhs every year into index funds like Nifty 50. In 7 years, they built a corpus of 1.2 crore rupees. Today, they do part-time freelance work by choice, not by necessity. They travel life stress-free and enjoy life on their own terms. Now we will talk about types of fire. Not all fire goals are the same. Here are four major types. First one is lean fire, financial freedom at a very minimal lifestyle. Second one is pet fire, freedom with luxury, travel, gadgets, and a big house. Third one is barista fire, partial fire where you quit corporate but do passion or part time work. Fourth one is coast fire. You have invested enough early, now just coast with minimal contributions. Choose your fire type based on your life vision, not just someone else. Now we will talk about how much money do you need to retire early in India. Let's use a simple formula from the fire world. Annual expenses multiplied by 25 is equals to fire corpus. Let's understand this by an example. Your monthly expense is 50,000 rupees, which comes out yearly expense as 6 lakh rupees. Fire goal is 6 lakh rupees multiplied by 25, which comes up to 1.5 crore rupees. This corpus, if invested at 6 to 7% annual return, can comfortably fund your basic life expenses forever. This is called the 4% rule. You withdraw only 4% of your corpus yearly to live on and the rest grows. Now we will talk about how to start your fire journey. Here's your step by step fire game plan. First of all, track your spending. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets. Second one, save 50 to 60% of your income. The higher your saving rates, the sooner you fire. Third one is invest wisely. Use index funds like Nifty 50, which have lesser risk. Fourth one is avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't upgrade just because your salary does. Fifth one is increase your income. Freelance, side hustle, and upskill, which you can do to increase your income. Sixth one is set a fire goal. Target corpus and retirement age. Seventh one is review every 6 months. Recalculate and stay on track. Fire is not about quitting work. It's about choosing how and when you work. Now we will talk about the challenges and the mindset shifts. The fire journey isn't easy. It demands patience, discipline, saying no to short term pleasures for long term freedom. People will question you: why are you still living in a rented apartment? You earn so much. Why not buy a car? But fire is about playing a different game, one where the reward is time but not things. Friends, fire is not just a Western idea, it's becoming an Indian reality. Whether you are a salaried professional, freelancer, or a business owner, with a plan, you can retire early. So tell me, what's your fire number? What age do you want to retire at? Comment below and let's talk about it. If you found value in this video, like it, share it with someone who is stuck in 9 to 5 cycle. And don't forget to subscribe for more real world finance case studies from India.